Hi, I'm Akkana Peck, and I'm going to be giving a demonstration of how to use layer masks in GIMP. I'm going to start with an image of Tux the Linux penguin, and I also have a picture of a feather. So what I'm going to do is paste the feather into the Tux image and then make it look like Tux is holding the feather. Start with copying the feather and paste into the Tux image. Now you see not all of the feather is showing up. When you paste in GIMP, it pastes as what's called a floating selection, and you have to convert that to a normal selection by clicking on the New Layer button in the Layers dialog. Now I have a normal layer for the feather. I'm going to rotate it a little bit so it looks more natural when Tux holds it using the Rotate tool. Just click in the image and then rotate it. That looks about right. I'll click on Rotate. Now I'll use the Move tool to move it where I want it to be. I want to get it right there where his flippers will be appearing to hold it. Now comes the part with the layer mask. I go back to the Layers dialog, I right click, and I choose Add Layer Mask. Usually you can pick the default in this dialog, white, full opacity. You'll be drawing on the layer mask later, so you can draw anything you want on it. Now this preview shows what the layer mask looks like. Everywhere it's white, I'll be able to see the feather. The feather will be opaque. Anywhere I draw black, the feather will be transparent, and I'll be able to see through the feather layer into the Tux layer. So let's demonstrate that. I take the paintbrush tool, I'm painting black, and you notice the feather disappears, and I can see through to Tux. Do the same thing over here, so that I can see his flippers and his feet. Now the feather's still there, but it's just transparent, so I can't see it. One of the beauties of this layer mask technique is that if I want to change my mind about what's visible, I can always do that. You'll always be able to change it later because the data is still there. Now one last bit. Over here it might be nice if some of the feather showed through above Tux's arm. So to do that, I can paint white again by swapping the colors. Now I'm painting white instead of black. Just paint in the feather a little bit there. Don't even have to be all that accurate. And it looks better already. So that's all there is to it. Layer masks are very easy to use, and you'll find them handy for anything that involves multiple layers. Thanks for listening.